Remedies for sinusitis. There are a number of factors that cause sinusitis. The most common occurs when a cold causes swelling and congestion on the lining of the nose. Sinusitis may begin as a viral infection, but within a few days it can develop into a bacterial infection. In many sinusitis patients, there may be one or more pre-existing condition that adds to the problem. These include allergies, nasal polyps and nasal septum. These conditions cause the narrowing of the nasal passages and blockage the sinus openings. That is why some people undergo operations to improve their chronic sinus infections. Despite the fact that most sinusitis sufferers receive no benefit from antibiotics, most doctors still prescribe them. Most doctors also recommend decongestants, although they can cause insomnia and nervousness. Long-term use can also cause dependency to the drug. The side effects of nasal sprays cannot also be overlooked. It can cause high blood pressure, mood swings, acne, peptic ulcers, glaucoma and weight gain. Although surgery can be the last resort to severe sinusitis, there is still no guarantee that it will be successful. It could even make matters worse. For these reasons, some people have turned to the healing wonders of natural medicines. Golden seal and olive extracts are effective in fighting bacterial and fungal infections. Vitamin C is also well known for its ability to strengthen the immune system and lessen allergic reactions. Zinc also shortens the duration of a cold by killing the cold virus, thus, reducing the risk of sinusitis. There are also natural ways you can take to overcome the problem of sinusitis. First, as much as possible avoid inhaling traffic fumes, cigarette smokes and chemicals at home or at work. Second, exercise regularly. Even walking for 30 minutes 3 to 4 times a week can be very effective. Third, avoid foods such as eggs, wheat, fatty foods, pastries, sugar, chocolate and any food that contains food additives. Fourth, eat more fruits and vegetable, fish, hot chicken and salads. Fifth, drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Keep in mind that water helps in keeping the body clean. Lastly, when suffering from colds, inhalation is a tested way of relieving blocked sinuses. Understand that a well-balanced diet and lifestyle can help prevent sinusitis. Over-the-counter medications can decrease the annoying symptoms of sinusitis. But if sinusitis symptoms continue, it is better to seek the help of a physician. Sinusitis refers to inflammation of the sinus passage and over-secretion of mucus by the membrane lining the nose and throat. It is often followed by a common cold, influenza and other general infections. Excessive or constant sneezing, running nose, blockage of one or both nostrils, headaches and pressure around the head, eyes and face, fever, lack of appetite and difficulty in breathing are symptoms of sinusitis. Try some of these home remedies for sinuses. A TSP of black cumin seeds tied in a thin cotton cloth provides relief when inhaled. Take few capsules of cayenne during or after each meal for several days till the infection is cleared up. Alternatively, put 1 teaspoon of cayenne in cup of hot water and drink a cupful of this thrice a day. Add few drops of eucalyptus oil to 1/2 cup boiling water. Pour the mixture into a bowl and inhale the steam for 10 to 15 minutes with your head covered with a large towel. Put few drops of eucalyptus oil on your handkerchief and sniff periodically. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of water and use it through a nasal inhaler. Make a nasal flush by mixing 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda in 1 cup of warm water. Fill the syringe with the solution and drop the mixture up your nose. Dissolve 1 teaspoon uniodized salt and half a teaspoon baking soda in a pint of water and inhale it through nasal inhaler. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of thyme in a cup of boiling water for 10 minutes. Drink a cupful of this mixture 3 times a day. Because of its strong antiseptic properties, thyme is good for respiratory infections. Sipping hot teas made with herbs such as fenugreek, fennel, anise, or sage may help move mucus even more and keeps it flowing. Blow 1 nostril at a time. This will help prevent pressure buildup in the ears, which can send bacteria further back into the sinus passages. Sniffling whenever your nostrils feel stuffed is a good way to drain the sinuses and stale secretions down the throat. Press your thumbs to the either side of the nostril to bring a fresh blood supply to the area and soothing relief. Apply warm washcloth over your eyes and cheekbones. Leave it till you feel the sinus pain subsiding. Carrot and spinach juice taken regularly is also found to be highly beneficial. Eat pungent herbs like garlic, horseradish because it contains a chemical that moves mucus and makes it less sticky. Garlic, onions, horseradish, hot pepper and ginger added to any soup broth will open the sinuses. Steep fresh basil in cupful of water and drink it to alleviate the stuffiness caused by inflamed membranes. Pungent oils such as thymol and camphor help open clogged passages. Tilt your head back and place a tsp of onion juice in each nostril. Repeat when needed. Grate fresh lotus root, mix it with grated ginger and unbleached white flour. Apply the mixture directly to the skin. You can leave this for several hours or overnight. Repeat for a week or more till you get relief. This mixture is quite effective dispersing and moving stagnated mucus. There could be watery discharge from the eyes or nose.